Paddock camping, quick look round. This is Bertie, our lovely little Bertie. As you can see, Bertie's quite extensive as well. That's four flag system. As you can see, Bertie's, I've just done a lot of work on Bertie, so his grass is a little bit dry, but there, see how lush and green it was. That was like awful last week. Yeah, I think he's our Asian type dome. I've got a particular little fetish for Bertie. That was my husband's name. And there is another little entrance to the snickies. And this one here is our Grant, my favourite. That's the wildlife sound. Grant. Tucked up at the very highest point of the park. Now you can have enter through this way. There's your own grass area, and you know, obviously it'll be clean. Little patio tree. So you've got front and back gardens here. One thing, look. That's the stone. And it goes right over. And gets just over there. So you get like all day. Just a quick impression of the view. And there's the door. I'm not showing you inside because it's a surprise when you get here. And there is our Grant's back garden. It's great for dogs really. You can stop them running in and out there and there. But you're tucked up right at the top of the camp. Very private, very quiet. The back of the yurt. There's your kitchenette. Not set out yet, obviously. Dino, spray picnic barbecue. You got plenty of areas to all this up at night. We have paddling pools and all sorts in the summer. These yurts are quite big. Actually easy to sleep for. Could even get 6 if you went on the floor. And do you think we've got time to see our Jasmine? That's our other yurts. No, we'll leave Jasmine. We'll go and see Belle, our famous safari. Huge party tent with plenty of access. Huge enclosed garden. Massive fire pit. Benches, picnic benches, all located in the centre of the camp. Secluded away, but not too secluded away. I mean, look at the size of that, it's like a bloody... And this is your view from Belle, the front door. But we've still got room here, which we was having as a wildlife area. It's now too large in a wildlife area. So you've got another entrance here. So I'll tell you. Wow, the entrance. Please go straight out, not onto the back of Ramsden. No. However, the young ones like this one, which is a big tent. Sleeps 8, like I say. Right in the middle of the camp, so you've got your tents there. Your own private garden here. Not too enclosed, but enclosed enough. I'll sit round there at night. We're going to be putting a swing ball in here, in this area here. We've still got some improvements to make. And you're back on Willow Walk. And you're back onto our little Jasmine. I can see which one is. I do like Jasmine, she's open. But I said she's got one of the best views of the camp. Apart from Ramsden and Earl. Yeah, it's cute little thing. Little yurt again. Very nice. Kitchenettes, fire pit, benches, home private garden, surrounded in rustling willow. This is shortcut back up round the back. You can walk in the door, for instance, because it is nice to walk around here. This is another favourite of mine. It's the Peel, named after Robert Peel, the person who constructed the modern day police force. Love it. Beautiful. Little couple seat here. Beautiful views around. Open but nice. This is camping. This is typical setup we'll get. We have had a bit of an accident with a tree there. It's come down in the wind last week. But everything really. Camping gas. You got your toolbox. In these here is all your crockery, cutlery, utensils, cups, saucers, plates, everything you'll need. That's for your recycling. Obviously fire safety. All your pans and everything. Dustbin. The tools. And then we're coming over various ways. Fire point 2, right at the top of the camp, where there's no where the fire points are. This is the problem. They're very old trees. But this is actually grazed by the sheep and the farm, and used by the bees as well. This is the back of Glamping. Kids love this one. There's Bell. Kitchenettes. And there's our bed. We've got a big steel drum for a fire in it. We are waiting for a replacement fire pit because it needs replacing. Placing onto the back of Polly. There Bell, man. There's my kids. It's the second water point. It's all drinking water. And once again, you're going back down towards the shop and the front of the camp. But just look at this. It's glorious sunshine today. 22 degrees. Not too hot, but it does get hot. And there's back to Polly. So that's just a quick flip round there. Fantastic Paddock campsite and glamping. Now this will be full, these fields are full of tents at weekends in the summer. So please do book or you won't get a pitch. So, that's your camping. That's the campsite. You've got plenty of pitches. And when we say pitch and a number, we mean pitch and a number. As you can see, there's your numbers. There's number 9. All the way around. So each pitch has a number. Always pitching that. Respecting other people. That's the car parking over there. Pitches here. Pitches 1 to 7 on that side. 9 to 11 on this side. 8 to 11 on this side. And look, there it is. I just wanted to show you the final stages. I'm not going in yet. Great idea with the disability access. Once again, zoom in on the cabin now. The toile, I thought from getting toilets, but it's not. The toile is this extra. It's a balconette. So, remember this isn't up service yet. Well is. Camp competition is who or what is Ramsden for a free scoffing of marshmallows when you come on. Don't forget to like, and if you've not been before, come on down. Look at it now, it's glorious sunshine, not too hot, quiet, no one's here, but there will be soon. And I'm going to get on with my lawn mowing, so don't forget to like Paddock Campsite and Glamping.